How to clean a throttle body. Step-by-step guide. Hey, what's up everyone? If your car's been idling rough, stalling, or just feeling a little sluggish when you hit the gas, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your throttle body the right way, step by step, safely, and without needing a mechanic. And don't worry, this isn't rocket science. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to save a few bucks, I'll walk you through every step so you can get your car breathing better in under an hour. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So let's begin. What is a throttle body? Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about what the throttle body actually does. It's part of your air intake system, right between your air filter and your engine. When you press the gas pedal, it opens up, letting air into the engine. More air equals more power. But when it gets gummed up with carbon deposits and oil residue, the airflow becomes uneven, which leads to all kinds of symptoms: rough idle, poor fuel economy, even stalling. Cleaning it can literally feel like giving your car a breath of fresh air. Tools and safety. Here's what you'll need. Throttle body cleaner, make sure it's sensor safe, a clean microfiber cloth, a screwdriver or socket set, a soft bristled brush, like an old toothbrush. Optional, gloves and safety glasses. Safety tip: you're dealing with chemicals and electrical parts, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before doing anything. No sparks, no drama. Getting to the throttle body. Let's find the throttle body. First, locate your air intake hose. It's that big black tube running from your air filter to your engine. The throttle body is usually at the end of that tube. Loosen the clamps and remove the intake hose. You may have to unplug a sensor or two, but just be gentle and don't yank on any wires. All right, there it is. See all that black gunk? That's what we're cleaning. The cleaning process. Spray the cleaner onto your cloth or directly into the throttle body, but do not soak the electronics or let the fluid puddle inside. Use your cloth and brush to gently scrub around the edges of the throttle plate. Don't force the plate open too far, just enough to clean around and behind it. If yours is really dirty, you may need to repeat this a few times. Be patient, it's worth doing right. Reassembly and final tips. Once it looks shiny and clean, go ahead and reconnect everything. Reattach the air hose, plug in any sensors, and tighten your clamps. Reconnect your battery, and now, moment of truth. Start it up. Listen to that. Smoother idle, better response. And it cost you what? Maybe 10 bucks in cleaner and 45 minutes of your time? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips that actually save you time and money. Hit that bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment if there's something you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time under the hood.